A machine learning model just scanned 2.6 million cancer research papers and flagged over 250,000 as potentially fraudulent, and the rate has been climbing for 2 decades. This is AI Wire Daily. The tool, built on BERT, analyzed cancer studies published between 1999 and 2024 and flagged papers with writing patterns matching known paper mill products, companies that sell fake research wholesale. Flagged papers rose from about 1% in the early 2000s to over 16% by 2022, and the model catches them 91% of the time. 3 journals are already piloting it as an editorial filter. At that scale, scientific literature itself becomes unreliable, and this tool is the first real way to measure just how bad it's gotten. Google's model has now missed its launch target 3 consecutive times: June, July 17, and now beyond. The delay isn't routine polish. Google DeepMind reportedly scrapped the near-ready version and restarted pre-training from scratch, meaning the original hit a capability ceiling that fine-tuning couldn't fix. Pre-training restarts are the most expensive moves in frontier AI development. The rebuild model still isn't clearing basic reliability standards, and Google is reportedly pivoting to stopgap flash releases. Any developer who built plans around Gemini 3.5 Pro should start looking at alternatives now. DeepSeek just got its first known external valuation, not from a press release, but from a luggage manufacturer's regulatory filing. And Hui Koren disclosed an indirect investment through a fund that bought into DeepSeek, implying a valuation of roughly $52 billion. A separately listed medical company's filing corroborated the number. DeepSeek has never officially confirmed any of this and maintains no routine disclosure obligations as a private entity. The company apparently closed its maiden external funding round at a world-class valuation in complete, deliberate silence. Relationship AI is apparently a roll-up strategy now. Aria, a wellness startup whose subscription starts at about $30 a month and includes physical intimacy products, just acquired Flam, an app of couple quizzes and milestones. Aria raised $21 million in a recent growth round and is openly modeling on Bending Spoons, which rolled up Vimeo, WeTransfer, and AOL. Flam couldn't crack monetization. Aria's pitch is that it can. The structural case is real. Dating apps fail by succeeding, but relationship maintenance tools don't have that churn problem. Rime closed a $24 million Series A led by M13, with Twilio Ventures in the round. The 35-person startup, founded in 2022, builds enterprise voice AI. With one key edge, they built a recording studio in San Francisco to capture real conversations between friends and family rather than voice actors reading clean scripts. Their new chief scientist previously led audio research at Meta Superintelligence Labs and NVIDIA. In a market full of AI voices that sound like hold cues, owning natural conversational training data is a defensible moat. That's the AI News. Subscribe. This stuff moves fast.